In this video, we will learn how to create a group on Signal Private Messenger app. With tons of people being away from their friends and family, groups have become a great way to keep everyone together. I will show you the quick and easy process to create group on Signal app Messenger. Now firstly open up the Signal app and now tap on Compose, the button with the pencil icon. Now select new group. Now select the contacts you want to include in the group, or you can also enter phone number and then tap on the arrow showing right at the bottom right. Now give your group a name. You can also tap on camera button and choose a profile for your group, and there tap on save button and now tap on create button. The new group will now appear in your chat list as well as the chat list of the group member. In some cases, some members may need to accept their message request or invitation before they participate in your group. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel.